This video will explain when you use Google Pay, why money sometimes get stuck or delayed. When you send money using Google Pay, the money does not actually stay inside the Google Pay. The app only acts as a middle helper. The real transfer happens through UPI and your bank. Sometimes the money may appear as stuck, processing, or delayed. Let us understand why. First, you have to understand Google Pay uses UPI. Google Pay sends your payment request to UPI. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. UPI then contacts your bank, which is sender's bank, then receiver's bank. Google Pay does not hold or control your money. It only shows the status of what bank is doing. All UPI payments depends on bank servers. If many people are making payments at the same time, the bank server may respond slowly. This causes the payment to show us payment processing, pending, or in progress. If your internet connection is weak, Google Pay cannot send proper signals to UPI. This does not mean the money is lost. It only means the app is waiting for confirmation. Even if your bank works fine, the receiver banks also needs to confirm. If receiver's bank server is slow, the transaction takes longer. This is why the delay can happen even on your side when you are the sender. When a payment is stuck, the money is usually not lost. It is either still in your bank account or already credited to receiver's account. But Google Pay has not shown the message yet. Banks always confirm the final result. What happens finally? After some time, one of the two things will happen. First one is payment successful. In this case, money is sent and Google Pay updates with money debited and money credited. The second one is payment failed. In this case, the money automatically returns to your bank account. This may take a few seconds to a few hours, but the money always come back. Here you can see the diagram which explains how Google Pay app, UPI and your bank and receiver banks are interacting. Here you can see the summary of whatever I have explained till now.